Hey guys, my name is Rana and today we are going to create a course selling website only using free resources. To create this website, I've taken the inspiration from the top course selling website like Udemy and Skillshare. In this website, you or anyone can become instructor and sell their courses. Let's say someone visit your site and sign up for as an instructor. He or she can create a course directly from the front end of the website. You don't have to provide the backend access of your website. Any instructor of your website can create a course using the professional dashboard that they will see in the front end of your website. And of course, you or your instructors of your website can create free or paid courses. To make money from your website, you can monetize your website with WooCommerce and charge a commission rate from your instructor. And let's see what will you learn in this video. First, we will get hosting and domain name. This is the only requirement to create any kind of website in this world. Or you can say this is the only small investment you have to make to create this course selling website. Rest of the things will be free like theme, and all the plugins will be free to create this beautiful course selling website. Next, we will install a free theme and plugins. Then we will set up the LMS plugin. LMS means Learning Management System. Following that, we will set up the WordPress essential settings. Next, I'll show you how to create a free and paid courses. And finally, I'll show you how to create a custom web pages to create a course selling website according to your requirement. Additionally, or you can say in a bonus, I'll show you how to import pre-designed web pages to save some time to create this course selling website. So without wasting more time, let's dive into this video tutorial and let me show you guys how you can create a course selling website only using free resources. Alright guys, so to create any website, whether it's course selling website, blog or e-commerce website or any kind of website, there are two required things: web hosting and domain name. If you do not know what is web hosting and domain name, well, web hosting is a place where all your website file will be stored. It's like a computer where you store all your media or stuff like that, and basically your website lives in that server. And domain name is going to be your website name, like runasvfx.com, google.com, amazon.com, facebook.com. These are the domain names. To get a web hosting and domain name, just type in this URL runasvfx/Hostinger and it will take you to Hostinger website. On this website, just scroll down and you will see several plans like premium, business and cloud. Moreover, if you go to this drop down button under hosting, go to web hosting and scroll down, you will see there is single, premium, business and cloud setup. In single web hosting, you will see you can create only one website, or you can say you can host only one website. If you go with the premium, you can host 100 websites, which is more than enough. However, there are some difference between premium and business and cloud hosting. For example, in premium, you will get only 100 gigabyte of SSD storage, and in the business, you will get 2 gigabyte of NVMe storage. This SSD and this NVMe storage is a way more different. This is a standard SSD storage drive, and this is a advanced memory, guys, that will increase your website speed 5x. Okay, and both of these plans comes with a free SSL certificate and free domain name. So let's say right now you are planning to create course selling website. In future, you want to create another type of website, for example, blog or e-commerce or any kind of website you are planning to create in future, then I highly recommend you to go with premium or business web hosting, because with these plans you can host 100 websites. But I highly recommend you to go with this plan, business plan. In order to get this plan, simply click on add to cart button and it will take you to the cart page. And here, guys, you have to select the billing cycle. Higher the months you select, more the discount you will get. Okay, when you select 48 month, you should select at least 12 month, which is highly recommended, guys. And then scroll down, click on any of these social media icons to sign up or sign in. If you already have account, you can log in. Let me quickly sign in with my Google account. Once you complete your sign in process or sign up process, next you have to select your payment method. What type of payment method? You can select from here. I'm from India. I can select UPI or net banking, Google Pay, or any kind of payment method that I like. Okay. If you live in another country, you can select different types of payment method according to your preferences. right side, you have to type in your country name, state, I'm from Punjab, and your zip code. And here you can see you will get 44% discount with your web hosting. And this will be your total amount that you have to pay to get this web hosting. Okay. All you have to do, click on submit and secure payment, and it will open your desirable payment gateway. I've selected UPI. I need to type in the contact information and UPI ID, and then I have to pay this amount in order to get this web hosting. Since I already have this web hosting, I'm not gonna buy this again. And let me show you what to do next when you get web hosting. When you complete the payment, you will receive several emails. Inside those emails, you will get your credentials to log in into your web hosting. When you log in into your web hosting first time, it will ask you to claim your free domain name. Type your domain name that you have in your mind, or you can do one thing, you can do some research. You can use Google Trends or other keyword research tool to research a best domain name for your business. Once you find your domain name, claim your free domain name from Hostinja. And next step, you have to install a WordPress. And now let me show you how you can do that. So I'm logged in into my web hosting inside the Hostinja. Here you can see I have the business web hosting. I've hosted 10 websites on my this Hostinja account. Let me quickly go to this Hostinja dashboard by clicking on the manage button. And here I'm going to create a subdomain name, and then I'll show you how to install a WordPress. Okay. So first of all, I need to go to inside the domains. Under the domains, I have to click on the subdomain. And here you can see I have created several subdomains right here. To create a new domain name, first of all, I have to type in the domain name over here. To create a new subdomain, just type your subdomain, whatever subdomain that you like. But in your case, you don't have to do this. I'm doing this just for tutorial purposes, guys. In your case, you just have to install WordPress directly inside your original domain name. Okay. So let me quickly create a subdomain. Okay. So I'm going to click on create. So I've created this domain name. And obviously, you don't have to follow this step. You have to skip this step. You don't need to create a subdomain, but you have to install a WordPress. To do it, inside your dashboard of your web hosting, you have to find the website, expand that up, and then find the auto installer. Click on that. It will take you to this web page. Here, simply select WordPress, or you can do one thing. Since in this video, we are going to create a course selling website, we need a WooCommerce plugin. So you can select WooCommerce. It will automatically install WordPress and WooCommerce plugin inside that WordPress dashboard. Okay. When you click on that, it will open another pop-up window. Here, you have to type your website name. I'm going to type something like tutorial. And here, you need to type the username and password. And remember these username and password. It will allow you to log in into your WordPress dashboard using username and password. Once you type your username and password, expand the advanced option. And here you have to select your domain name. I'm going to select mine, this one right here. And rest of things are good here. Click on next button and click on install. It will install WordPress inside your domain name. Okay. Alright guys, so you can see that we have successfully installed WordPress. Now in order to access your WordPress dashboard, you can just go to new tab and type in something like your domain name. In this case, tutorial.runners.com/wp-admin. Once you type this type of URL like your domain name and /wp-admin, wp-admin, press enter, and it will take you to this login page. Here you need to type your WordPress username and password that we just created, tutorial, and the password. I'm going to click on save. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard of WordPress, and this is the 6.3 version of WordPress. Let me dismiss this, and I'm going to hide all these elements because I don't really want them to appear on my home screen, on my dashboard. Okay buddy, now let's hover your mouse over plugins and click on install plugins, and let's see how many plugins there. You can see there is WooCommerce, Lightspeed Cache, Hostinja, Hello Dolly, All-in-One WP Migrate, Akismet, Anti-Spam, Spam Protection. First of all, I'm going to deactivate all of them by checking this box. It will select all of them and then go to drop-down menu. Select deactivate, uncheck the WooCommerce because we need this, and click on apply. it will deactivate rest of the plugins except WooCommerce. I'm going to check all of this once again, and I'm going to uncheck the WooCommerce. Go to this drop down button and select delete and click apply. Click OK. It will delete all these plugins because we don't really need them. Once you have your WooCommerce, next thing you need to do, we need to verify our plugins. Let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. You can see there are 3 themes installed, but this one is activated 2023. Let's delete these one because we don't really need them. So we have only this theme right here. And one more thing, this is the backend of your website. Your visitor of your website won't able to see the backend. They will see only the front end. When you hover your mouse over here, you can see we have 2 options, visit store and visit site. When you have WooCommerce plugin installed, then you will see this option. Otherwise, you won't see this option. Okay, so I visit the site in a new tab, and you can see this is the front end of your core selling website right now because there is no content. This is a fresh installation of WordPress. This is a default dummy or sample post, hello world. This looks boring because there is nothing here. Okay, we're going to make this boring website, or we will take this boring website to the next level. So all you have to do, just keep watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to close this out and now open a new tab and type in this URL. You will find the same URL in the video description as well, and press enter. It will take you to this website, themeum.com. And on this website, simply click on the pricing because we need a Tutor LMS plugin and theme. So here you will see several plans: agency, business, individual, and basic. And you will see annual and lifetime plan. If you enable this option, you will see the lifetime option as well, because this will be one-time payment. If you have some budget, you can go with the agency, business, or individual plan, or you can go with annual plan if you want. But in this video, we are going to all free resources to create this beautiful core selling website. So for that, I need a free plugin. Click on get it now, and you have to download this plugin since I already have the plugin, and then click OK, and your plugin will be downloaded as soon you click on start download. Okay, next thing, we need to download the theme. Click on theme right here, and here you can see Tutor Starter. We need to download this theme. Click on view detail, or you can scroll down. You can see there are few different types of themes available that you can install. However, some of them are free and some of them are pro. Let's check it out, this one right here. And here you can see this is a paid theme. Let's go back, scroll down, and this one also is paid theme, guys. If you click over here, view detail, you can see this is a paid theme. Let's go back. This one, I think, also a paid theme. Let's see. Yeah, this one is also a paid theme. This one paid, this one paid, but the free one is top right here. Tutor Starter, click on view detail, and here you can see this is a free theme. Click on download free and go ahead, download the theme. Click on start download, and your theme will be downloaded as well. Once you download your theme and plugin, let's come back to your dashboard. So this is the theme. Just click on add new. Click on upload theme because we're going to upload a zip file. So this is the theme file. I'm going to drag and drop over here. Click on install now, and let's click on activate. It will activate the theme. Let's install a plugin. Have your mouse over plugins and click on add new and upload the plugin. Now drag and drop your plugin file over here, and then we will install the Tutor-made plugin as well. So this is our plugin, tutor.zip. Upload it. Click on install now. Once you activate the plugin, let's go to plugins area, and now we need to install a few other plugins. We can install Tutor. Type something like Tutor and install Tutor LMS Elementor add-on. Click on install now, and then search for Elementor, and install this one. Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. 5+ million active installation, guys, by Elementor.com. Click on install now. Don't activate these plugins yet. We'll activate them later once we install all the plugins, or you can say all the required plugins. Next, you can install the contact form 7. Click on install now, and then we need to install Yoast SEO, and click on install now. Make sure you install this one. This will help you to boost your SEO. Next, I'm going to delete this one. Let's install 𝗀𝗶𝗴. Type something like 𝗀𝗶𝗴 and install this one. Compress, resize, and lazy load images. Click on install now, or You can install this one right here. Migrate backup staging 𝗀𝗶𝗴 by 𝗀𝗶𝗴 team. Okay, make sure you install this one. This plugin right here will reduce your image size but won't reduce your image quality. Your image quality retain as it is, but the size of the image will reduce, which will help your web page to load fast, and it will increase your search engine performance, and that will improve your web page load performance. Okay, and this one help you to backup and restore or stagging your WordPress website in a few seconds. Okay, after installing this one, click on begin installing plugin recommended by the theme and click on install now. Okay, finally click on return to required plugin installer. Now click on plugins and installed plugins, and you will see all the plugins that we need to create this course selling website, or you can say these are the required plugins. Now check this box to select all of them. Uncheck this one because this one is already activated. Go to this drop down button and select activate and click apply. It will activate all your required plugins. Once you do it, it will take you to this wizard, setup wizard. Click on let's get started, and here it will ask you to select your platform. It is individual or marketplace. In a marketplace, people come to your website and they can become a tutor or instructor. They can join your website as an instructor. When they join and create a course on your website, when someone buy that course, instructor will make money and you will get the commission out of that price point of the course. Okay, let's say instructor selling the course $100 or $100, and you set the commission 10% for the admin of the website and 90% goes to the instructor of that course. Let's click on next by selecting the marketplace. Next, here you can see we have the instructor profile. Turn this on. Student profile. Turn this on. Lesson permalink. It should be lesson, or you can type anything you like. You can type something like lesson or whatever you like. You can type over here, and you can see this will be the permalinks like this. Then click on next. Now we are inside the course. Here, show the bio, show the instructor bio. Make sure you turn it on. Question and answer. Allow Q&A forms on each course. You can turn it on or off. I recommend you to turn them on. Next, course per row 3, 4, 2, 1. 3 should be fine. Course per page 12 or less or more. You can increase or decrease according to your preferences. You can change these numbers or these settings later on as well. Now click on next. New sign up, enable. Earning, enable. Next, guest checkout. If you want to allow your buyers or user to consume or watch their content without login, you can turn it on. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. They won't be able to consume or watch their courses, buy courses, purchased courses without login. Okay, they won't be able to buy. Next, we have the commission rate. So this is what I'm talking about earlier. You can set the amount of the commission rate, like how many commission rate you should take and how many commission rate the instructor should take. I recommend you to keep it as a 90-10. Okay, and then payment withdrawal method should be whatever payment withdrawal method you like to enable on your website. You can select from here. You can select bank transfer, e-check, or PayPal. You can select all of them if you want, or you can uncheck these two options or select PayPal because this is the universal payment method or payment gateway. Finally, I'm going to click on finished setup. Okay, buddy. So once we finish setup, but this message right here says this plugin is inactive. Let's begin activating the plugin. All right, buddy. Plugin has been activated. Let's click on return to dashboard. I'm going to remove this element as well. Screen option. Now let's visit your site once again, and now let's see. You can see this is our site. When someone visit your site first time, they will see site like this, and of course there is nothing here. This is still boring design. However, if someone hover their mouse over here, they will see the dashboard. This is what I'm talking about in the beginning of this video. Your instructor or a new visitor can create, or you can create course without going to backend of your website. They can create, or you can create a course, or anyone can create course in the front end of your website. All they need is they need to log in first. Okay, if you just visit your site in a private window, let me show you. If you visit your site in a private window, you can see there's nothing here. You won't see the dashboard. In order to see the dashboard, you have to click on Get Started button and then you have to log in. But this button is not working right now because we haven't configured our general settings of WordPress. And that will take us to the next step of this website. Let's configure a essential settings or a general settings of our WordPress website, or you can say the basic settings. To do it, hover your mouse over settings in the backend of your website and then click on general. And here you can see that we have the site title, which is already there. You can change it if you like. Site tagline, type something like, you can type whatever you like. I'm going to type watch online courses for free, watch online courses. You can type whatever you like. WordPress address and site address, it should be the same, guys. Next, administrator email address. Make sure to type your real email over here. Next, we have the membership. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Make sure you check out this option. Otherwise, no one will be able to log in or sign up on your website if this is unchecked. Okay, make sure you check this option. And then we have the new user role. What should it be? Tutor, instructor, shop manager, customer, subscriber, contributor, author, and so on. I recommend you to select this option, tutor, instructor. Next, the site language, English. Time zone, I'm from India. I'm going to select mine. There it is. Next, the date and time format. This is fine for me. Weeks starts on Monday in India. Week starts on Monday. And finally, click on Save Changes if you make any changes. Next, we have the Writings tab and Reading tab. Let's look at the Writings tab. There's nothing. You don't need to change anything. Let's go straight to the permalinks. And here, for best SEO, you make sure you select this option right here, post name, and scroll down and then click on Save Changes. Rest of things are good here. And then if you go to privacy, here you can see we have the default or sample privacy policy page selected right here. And you can see other pages, of course. And some of these pages created by WooCommerce and some of these pages created by the Tutor LMS plugin. But in your case, you don't have to select this privacy policy because this is a sample privacy policy page. You have to create your own privacy policy page. You can create your privacy policy page just by clicking on the create button, or you can go to the pages, add new, and here type the privacy policy page title, which should be the privacy policy. And below you have to type the long privacy policy page. If you want to know how to create a privacy policy page or other essential pages for your e-commerce website, you'll find a link in the video description. By going to that link, you can copy all the essential pages of e-commerce. Just copy and paste. All you need to do, just replace the sample email address or the website URL with your own. Okay. Replace the sample email with your own original email and replace the dummy or mine website URL with your own. Rest of the things you should keep it as it is. If you have some knowledge to create your own privacy policy page, you can create your own and just by typing your own privacy policy page manually. Okay. But I'm here to help you guys. I have created every single element, every single thing for you guys so that you can enjoy your web development journey easily. Okay. If you have any question regarding any page, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section below. I'm happy to help you guys. Okay. Let's close this out. Once you create your privacy policy page, come back to this page right here, or you can go to this privacy and refresh it, and you will see your own privacy policy. You will select your own privacy policy from this list and select your privacy policy, click use this page, and you're ready to go. However, let me show you the other sample pages and dummy pages right here. You can see cart page, checkout page, dashboard, instructor, registration, account. These pages has been created by these plugins like Tutor LMS and WooCommerce. This one right here. Okay. If I added this page in a new tab, let me show you. You can see there is a shortcode. Without this shortcode, this page won't work. Okay. If any case you delete this one from your website, you can use the shortcode and create your own checkout page or any type of page. These pages has been created using shortcode. Anyways, now it's time to show you guys how to import a dummy content on your website, and then we'll proceed further. To do it, first of all, you have to install a plugin. Let's hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. and come over here and search for maybe demo content and press enter. And this one right here, one click demo import. Let's install this one. Let's activate the plugin. And you can see these plugins are not activated yet. Let's activate them as well. Check this box and let's activate them. Okay, buddy. Let's go back to that plugins area once again. Yeah, all the plugins has been activated successfully. Now, all we need to do is hover your mouse over appearance and import demo data. Scroll down and we need to upload the XML file. Click on select file and you will find the same file in the video description. This file right here, tutor sample courses. Click on open and then click on continue and import. It will import all the content. Right now there is nothing here on this website, but it will import the content only, like courses. It won't import the web page. So this may take some time. So I'm going to speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. All right. So demo import has been completed. You can click on visit site. Let's visit our site in a new tab. You can see there is nothing here. There is no content. There is no design. And you can see the design is not changed at all because we imported the content only. Let's go back to the dashboard. And now if you hover your mouse over Tutor LMS and click on courses, and you can see all these sample courses has been imported. But in your case, you don't need to import these sample courses. I have imported these courses just sake for this video tutorial. And here you can see the category, the author name, price, and the date. You can see right here. And all these courses are free courses. In this video, I'll show you how to create a paid courses as well, so that you can charge a commission from the instructor when they make any sale on your website. Or you can create your own courses and get the full commission out of your course. To create a new course, you can click on the add new button. But first of all, let me open any of this course in a new tab. Let me visit this course as well. So you can see this is the course title, categories, and this is the free course. Anyone can enroll into this course by clicking on the enroll now button, and free access to this course. All level, this is all level course, not only for beginners or intermediate or pro level students can watch this. All level can watch this course. A course by the tutor name, material, requirements, tags, audience. These are the course content and the course description. You can see right here. And this is what will you learn. And this is the another section that your visitor of your website can see. And this is the course tutorial. Okay. Now let's create a course. To create a course, click on add new. I'm creating this course from the back end. However, you can create a course from the front end as well. Let's add a title, or I can type my title, like let's say WordPress security course, WordPress security course. And below I need to type the description. Here I need to type the description. Let me copy the description from the sample course, just to sake for the video tutorial. Below here you can see the Yoast SEO section right here. That's why I was telling you in the beginning of the video, we will create the SEO friendly course so that we can make some money with our courses. Here you need to type the focus keyword like WordPress security course. Let me copy from here, WordPress security course. And then I need to add this keyword in the description, WordPress security course. I'm going to make it heading 1, make this heading 1, or you can go to this drop down button and click on heading 1. You can use the shortcut, as you can see, Shift Alt 1 to create the heading 1. Next, I need to add some more keyword inside the description. Anyways, next I need to select the category. I'm going to create a new category by clicking on add new. I'm going to type something like WordPress security or WordPress courses. Okay, then click on add new category. So category has been added and selected. You can see SEO is okay, but it can be good. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see we have the slug and the title. I'm going to type delete all of them. I'm going to paste the SEO title. This will be the slug, and here you should type the description, WordPress security course, just like it. When you see this green line, that means this is a perfect title, slug, or meta description. If you expand this one, SEO analysis, you will see all the improvement and the problems and the suggestions. Here you can see there is a 5 problems. There is a no outbound link and no image appear, no internal link, and there is a key phrase in introduction. Key phrase on introduction is not appearing in the first paragraph. Okay, so in the first paragraph there is no keyword. Let's add the focus keyword, which is right here. And now let's see if there's any change. As you can see, that problem has gone. Now we have only 1, 2, 3. We will fix that as well. There is a no outbound link. Let's add outbound link. Outbound link means another website URL. Let's say you have a keyword like student or WordPress, Facebook. Let's say this is a Facebook, or you can say, let's say this is WordPress. You can redirect your visitor to the WordPress website like wordpress.org and click apply. And this will be the outbound link. Scroll down, you can see that problem has gone as well. Now SEO is a good, but there is a 2 more problem. You can fix that as well. On this website, there is a no image. Let's add an image. I think we can add the image in the featured image section. Scroll down, you can see we have the set featured image. You can upload image, or you can use your existing media library. I'm going to upload an image, select file. I'm going to upload this image, click open and click on set featured image. And there you go. You can see that problem has gone as well, but there is a 1 improvement inside this image. I need to add the alt text. This is the alt text. Alt text should be the same focus keyword, and then click on set featured image. Now you can see that improvement has gone as well, or you can see that improvement has been turned into the good results. Now only thing we left with the internal link. Internal link means your own website URL. You can redirect your visitor to another page of your website. For example, WordPress security course. Here I'm gonna type or another URL. You can bring this up. You can add your URL, but just by highlighting the keyword and click over here, and here type the URL of your website. Let's say tutor.LMS.vfx.com and click OK. This is just an example. This is a not perfect internal linking, but I've shown you the example. Now you can see all the problem has been gone. SEO is a good and readability is a good as well. So that's what we want. So this is how you create a perfect SEO. And next thing you need to do, you need to add a tags. Let's add a tag, WordPress courses. You can type 3 to 4 or maybe 4 to 5 tags, something like that. Scroll down. Next, we have the tutor starter schema. Make sure you select the schema type. This will be the course. Next, type the name of the author, runners, VFX, and the description about the course, WordPress security course. Next, provider name. For example, awesome course, whatever course. I'm going to type something like WordPress security course once again. And that's pretty much it. Now, all we need to do is we need to add the course content. Just keep scrolling down. Here you can see we have the excerpt. You can add the excerpt as well. If you keep scrolling down, you can see this is the excerpt. Just copy it. This will be the short description. Okay. And here you can see if there is a multiple author, you can select the author from here. And now you can see in the course settings, we have the general tab. In the general tab, we have the maximum student. If you set it to 0, that means there is a no limit for the student. It will be unlimited. As you can see, you can increase or decrease the maximum number of the students, like 15 can enroll, 100 can enroll, whatever type the number you want, you can type in over here. Okay. Next, the difficulty level, intermediate, all level, beginner, or expert. Let's go for all level. Public course. Is this course is a public or not? Let's make this course a public, not enrollment required. If you check this box, this will happen. Okay. If you check this box, enable Q&A section, it will add the Q&A on your website. You can enable or disable the Q&A section if you want. And scroll down, you can see we have the course builder section. Here you can add new topic. Just click on it, type the topic name. If you go over here, you can see this is the topic. Expand this one, or you can type something like WordPress backup. You can type the summary if you want, otherwise you can leave it as it is. In this course, in this video course, we will learn about WordPress backup. Okay, something like that. And click on add topic. When you add a topic, here you can add a lesson. Type the lesson name, how to backup WordPress site. Here you can add a media, or you can type the content over here. Let's add a media, upload a file. let's go to upload file and upload a file. I'm going to upload image, search for backup, this one right here, insert into post. Actually, I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to type the content. In this video, I will show you how to back up your WordPress website step by step. There you go. Scroll down. You can see we have the featured image. You can upload the featured image. This one right here. Choose this media. Or you can do one thing. You can upload YouTube video. Insert from the URL. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Go to videos. Let's search for backup. And you will see so many tutorials related to backup. Let's open the latest one. Let's copy the URL.
If you want to sell online,
let's close this out and paste the URL and click on insert into post. There you go. And click on upload lesson. You can host a video file on web hosting server, but that will take the space of your web hosting, because if you have only 100 GB of space on your course selling website, that I think that is not more than enough. So I recommend you to go to youtube.com and upload your video there and make it unlisted. Come back to your website and paste your unlisted video URL on this website. Okay. So in that way, you can upload as many videos as you want without worrying about the storage. Next, let's add another topic, WordPress security. You can type anything you like. I'm going to click on add topic. Let's add lesson. And here I'm going to click on upload media, insert media from the post. Let's upload another file or another video. In this case, I'm going to add security. Okay, this one right here. Let's copy it, paste the video link, click on insert into post. There you go. And click on update lesson. And then you can upload the image as well. Click on select file, search the same image, this one, and then click on use this media, click on upload lesson. So in the similar way, you can create as many topics, as many lessons, as many quizzes as you want. Let's add a quiz for this lesson. Quiz type, is it okay to run a website without WordPress security? You can type a summary if you want. Click on save and next. Let's add a question. So here you should type the same question. Is it okay to run a WP site without WP security? Anyways, next we have the question type, true, false, single choice, multiple choice, and so on. Let's go for true, false. I'm going to select answer. This answer should be required. And this is a true or false. No, this is a false. Points for this answer. Let's say 5 points for this answer. Randomize. No, cannot randomize this. Next, click on add question. When someone click on the false, that means the answer is correct. Now let's click on save and next. You can add as many quizzes as you want. Next, we have the time limit. If it's set to 0, then there is a no limit for the quiz. Next, we have the minutes, seconds, hours, whatever you can set it from here. Hide quiz from time display, you can do that as well. Next, we have the quiz feedback mode, default, reveal mode, or retry mode. Let's go for retry mode. How many attempts? Let's say 2 attempts. Passing grade 80%. Max question allowed to answer 10 or maybe 5, whatever number you want to type, just type in over here. And then we have the advanced settings. If you expand this one, you can see we have the quiz auto start, question layout, question order. You can select it from here, whatever type of layout you want. And question order, it should be randomized, sorting, or ascending order, descending order. It is a basic settings, guys. Okay. Hide question numbers, short answer characters limit. You can change it from here. Okay. This is a basically self-explanatory. Next, click on save and next. And you have successfully created a quiz for this WordPress lesson. Okay. Next, scroll down. You can see we have the additional data. What will I learn? Here, let's copy from here, the first line, come back here, paste it here, come to next line. Let's copy the sample text, paste it here, come to next line by pressing the enter button. Let's copy the next line, come back here, paste, press enter, copy the next line, paste, press enter. Let's keep doing that. Next, copy, paste. Next, we have the targeted audience. This course for WordPress user who wants to, okay, total course duration. you have to find out the duration time. Let's say 13 minutes for the 2 videos. Next, material included. Here you can see the material included. You can copy and paste the sample text, just save for the video tutorial. Next, we have the requirement instruction. You can see these are the requirement, or you can type in your own requirement for your course. Okay, anytime you can edit or update your lesson just by clicking on the pencil icon. Once you finish with your lesson, all you need to do, just scroll up and click on publish, and your course will be created. Let's view the course, and there you go. You can see this is the course that we have created, WordPress security, under 10% anti-course. However, if you are interested in watching this video, you can go to my channel and you can search for anti-hack, and you will see this video right here. Go ahead, watch the video and secure your WordPress website. So this is our free course that we have created. Your visitor of your website can add this course into their wish list. They can share this course, or they can enroll into this course, and this will be the all-level course. This is the course by this instructor name, material included, and you can see the audience, WordPress user who wants to improve their WordPress site security. And if you expand this one, you can see the course content right here. This is the quiz. Let's open the course in private window, and here you can see if someone click on the enroll now button, they have to create an account on your website. Let's click on register now. Let's register on this website. Rana Singh, username Rana, email, password, confirm typing your password, click on register, and let's see. Alright guys, so you can see we have successfully registered on our website. To watch this course, click on start learning, and you can see the course content, first lesson, second lesson, first topic and second topic. If you expand the first topic, you will see the first lesson. Click on it, and here you can see the course, the featured image, and the content, the video. And you can watch this video best and fastest way. Moreover, I'll show you guys how you. Okay, pretty much awesome. In the similar way, they can watch the another lesson by going to another topic, and they can join the quiz as well. Is it okay to run a website without WordPress security? Let's start the quiz, and this is the main question. No, I know this is a fall. This is not okay to run WordPress site without a security. Fall, submit question. You can see time limit is a no. You can see 100% completed. We have earned the 5 points out of this quiz. Anyways, so this is how you create a course. You can create a course just by going to your dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard, guys. So as you can see, this is the dashboard that your instructor can see. They can change their profile by visiting their profile section. As you can see, enrolled course. This is the course that they have enrolled, that this person has enrolled. This is my quiz attempt. If your instructor want to see their courses, they can go to my courses. And if they want to create their own course, they can click on create a new course button. And here they will land on another page, this page right here. But in this page, they won't be able to see so many elements, because this is the backend of the WordPress website. Here they can type the title, description, and the Yoast SEO section will be also available for them. And the similar thing will be available for your instructor. Okay. So basically, without visiting the backend of your website, your visitor can create a course just by using this type of dashboard. Amazing, right? They can request for the withdrawal just by going to this section. This person does not have any amount to withdraw. So when they have some amount, they can request for the withdrawal. Okay. So I'm going to close this out. So this is how you create a course. Let's go back to your dashboard. Let me go to screen option, uncheck these 2 things as well. Let's close this out. Now let's look at the important aspect of your website, which is the WordPress backup. We have installed this plugin right here, 𝗷𝗶𝘴 backup. If you click over here, you can see the user interface like this. Here you can back up your entire website just by selecting the database and file, or you can back up the WordPress files only, or you can back up the database only. And where you like to save this file, you can save it on your local computer, or you can send it on your remote storage. What is remote storage? Well, basically click on the remote storage button right here. You can see Google Drive, Dropbox, and so on and so forth. These are the remote storage. First of all, you have to connect the remote storage with your website, and then you can send your backup file to your remote storage. Okay. It is pretty simple to back up your website. select the type of backup file that you want to backup and select the location. Once you do it, click on backup now. It will backup your entire site, and below you will see the backup file. As you can see, it is processing right now. So as you can see, this is the backup file. You can download this file, click on download button, and you can download a backup file wherever you like. Next time, if you messed up with your website, you can restore your website anytime just by going to this upload tab and upload the backup file that you have downloaded earlier and restore your website anytime. Another option to secure your website, if you go to schedule, you can enable backup schedule. You can backup daily, weekly, monthly, 12 hours, so on and so forth, and you don't have to do anything. You can backup database files or database plus files or WordPress files only or database only. It's all up to you where you like to send it, on your server or on your remote storage. It's all up to you. I highly recommend you to enable this option. That means you don't have to worry about anything, guys. And there are way more features comes with this plugin. If you want to check out the full video, you can go to my channel, go to videos, and you will find this video right here, the easiest way to backup and restore and transfer your website in a few seconds. Anyways, guys, so make sure you do this thing on your website if you want to secure your website, because this is very important website for you, because you are doing so much hard work on your website to create these courses. If any case you messed up with your website, then there is no way to back up your website. So that's why I'm telling you guys right in the beginning of the video, you must back up your website every day if you want to secure your website. Okay, next we have this one right here, 𝗲𝗲𝗃 image optimization. On this plugin, you have to type your email and click on create a free account, or you can try out the pro version if you want. Next, you need to enter the API license below in order to connect to the server. Let's go to your mailbox and you can see the email right here. Open this up and this will be the password and this will be the API license. Let's copy the license key, come back to your site and paste the license key and click on connect to server. So as you can see, we have successfully connected to the server. All you need to do, just click on optimize now. It will optimize all the images for you guys. Basically, it will compress all the images without losing the image quality. And it will increase the web page load speed. If your web page load speed is improved or fast, then your website SEO will improve automatically. So this process may take some time. So I'm going to cancel this right now. I just wanted to show you guys. This is the another process that you need to complete on your website. So as you can see, in just few seconds, it compressed 3 images. As you can see, it compressed this image 61%, this image 32.37%, and so on and so forth. That's why I'm telling you guys, this is an amazing tool that you must try on your website. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's move to the next step. Now we need to configure our WooCommerce plugin. In order to configure this WooCommerce plugin, let's have your mouse over WooCommerce and let's go to settings. And here you have to type your store address. Let's quickly type your store address. I'm from India. I'm going to type India right here. India, Punjab. This one right here. Zip code, selling location, shipping location, sell to all country or ship to all country. Select the sell to all countries and here ship to all countries and countries you sell to. Next, customer location, shop country and region. Enable taxes. You can enable or disable the taxes on your website. Let's say on your country, there is a different types of tax class. For example, in India, we have GST. We can charge GST as well for on any course that we want just by enabling this option. If you want to learn how to add a GST or any type of tax class, you can check out my other video. I've created that type of video for you guys. Go to my channel and search for WooCommerce, press enter, and you will see the advanced shipping method. Here you can watch this video, or you can watch this video right here to learn more about the text class. Okay, or you can check out the entire WooCommerce tutorial series on my website, basically, if you do not know how to set up a WooCommerce plugin. Anyways, let's come back here. I'm going to leave it unchecked. Next to the coupons, you can enable or disable the coupons. You can create a new coupons on your website, which is the amazing way to increase the sale on your website. Scroll down, we have the currency position, currency, type your currency. I'm going to type Indian rupees because I want to sell these courses only in India. Next, we have the 1000 separator and so on and so forth. The rest of things are good here. Click on save changes. All we need to do, just go to payments tab. We don't deal with the shipping tab. Payments, here you can see we have the bank transfer, check payment, and cash on delivery. Since in this video we are selling courses, we cannot use the cash on delivery, but we can use the bank transfer or check payment. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a PayPal payment gateway, which is amazing payment gateway for your website. Let's click on get started. It will install the PayPal payment gateway. Let's see. Okay, after that, you will see this plugin right here under the payments. If you click on the payments tab, you can see we have the PayPal. Click on finish setup button right here under the PayPal. Scroll down, you can see toggle to menu credential. Click on that. Here you can see we have the sandbox and live email address, merchant ID, live client, and secret key. If you use your live credentials, that means you are ready to accept the real payments from real customer. If you check this box, sandbox, and now if you type the sandbox, merchant ID, client ID, and secret key, that means you can test out your fake payment to complete the order on your website. Okay, so to get these credentials, let's go to PayPal, open a new tab, type PayPal, click on login. If you don't have a PayPal account, you have to create a new one just by clicking on the create button or sign up button and click on type your email, phone number, password, and login. I need to type the security code and then click on continue. Okay, buddy. So this is my PayPal dashboard. Click on business tools, scroll down and select API credential. If you don't see this one, you can search it from here. Okay, just click on API credential, click on get started, scroll down, click on my apps and credential. And now you can see you are in a sandbox mode, which is the test mode. Click over here and you will see the live. Now you are inside the live mode. Scroll down. Here you can see the API credentials. Click on it. You can see I have a bunch of apps over here for my different types of website. Now I need to create another app. First of all, I need to go to live mode. Now I need to create an app. Create app. Click on create app button and type the name of your app. Let's type Tutor. Click on create app. And here you can see I have the client ID and secret key. Let me copy the client ID and paste on my WooCommerce right here. Client ID. This is my client ID section. And I need to copy the secret key. Copy to clipboard. Come back here and paste the live secret key. Now I need the email address. Let me type my email address over here. And then I need a merchant ID. To get that, let's go back to your dashboard of PayPal. Let's go back. Let me delete this section. Let's go to PayPal. Let's go to PayPal. And then hover your mouse over here and then click on account settings. Okay, in the dashboard of your PayPal, hover your mouse over here and click on account settings. Now under the business profile, click on the business information. This one right here. You will see your merchant ID. Copy it. Come back to your WooCommerce and paste your merchant ID. And then click on save changes and you're ready to go. Your PayPal is now connected with your WooCommerce plugin. As you can see, now it says disconnected account. That means your account is connected. Status says connected, as you can see. If you go to standard payments, you can see we have the title, description, intent, instant payment, brand name. You can change literally any label that you want. Okay, it's all personal preferences. Let's go to connection. You can see the connection is secured, connected. As you can see, let's go back to payments tab. Let's enable this one. Click on save changes. One more time, let's verify. Click on manage. Let's go to connection. Okay, connection is secured. And next thing you need to verify is just by going to emails. And here, first 3 emails should be your guys. If it isn't, then you can change it by going to the manage button. And here you can type in your original email and then click on save changes. That's pretty much it. And rest of the things are good here. If you want to see the entire WooCommerce plugin settings, you can check out my other videos. You'll find that video in the video description, or you can go to my channel and find this video right here, basic setup. But for this course selling website, these are the essential settings that you need to configure on your website. And now let me show you how you can create a paid course on your website. To do it, let's hover your mouse over product and click on all products. And let's see if there is any product. No, there isn't no product on this website. To create a product, click on create product button. And here you have to type the name, product name. I'm going to type something like WordPress security and then just click on publish. But before that, we forget to change the amount. Scroll down and you can see right here there is a no option right here for tutor. Let's add that option. In order to do it, let's go to Tutor's LMS settings. Hover your mouse over Tutor LMS and then click on settings. Go to monetization. Here you can see monetization is disabled. Let's enable for WooCommerce. Click on save changes. Come back to your WooCommerce products, all products. Let's edit this product, WordPress security. Now you can scroll down. You can see this option available now. Check this one and type your regular price. Let's say 1500 rupees. If there is a sale price, you can type your sale price as well. 1000 rupees, Indian rupees, guys, because I've changed my currency into rupees. Once you do it, scroll up and click on update. Now let's go to your Tutor LMS. Click on courses. Let's edit this course. Select the course, scroll down, and you will see this section right here. Add product, course type, free or paid. In the early of this video, you won't see this option because we haven't created the product under the WooCommerce. Now this option is available. Let's select paid. Now select the product, this one right here, WordPress security. Now scroll up and click on update. Now when you visit this course by clicking over here, you can see this course price and you will see the button right here, add to cart. But before that, let me see what is the problem with the PayPal plugin. It says authentication PayPal failed, could not create a tokens. Let's go to WooCommerce settings. In fact, I need to go to this section right here. I need to click on save changes. So in my PayPal account, there is no problem with that. Let's see what is the problem with the WooCommerce PayPal. Go to payments. In the PayPal, let's go to manage. Everything is okay right here. It seems to okay for me. Let's go to connection. It seems to a bug. Let me quickly submit a bug. I can submit it just by going to GitHub, but I'll do it later. But for me, it is perfectly fine. Let me open the course in a private window and let's see if this is working or not. In a private window, it's already signed in. Let me log out first. And now let me visit the product page once again. Let me click on add to cart. I need to create an account. Let's register for an account. Let's type something like first name, last name, username, email, password, confirm typing the password. Click on register and let's click on add to cart. Let's view the cart and this is the cart. You can see this button right here is available. Let's click on proceed to checkout and you can see this is the beautiful billing page or checkout page. Here your customer needs to type the billing information like first name, last name, type the phone number 123456789, whatever you can type just over here. Scroll up and you can see your customer can pay this amount via PayPal or debit card or credit card. Could not create a token. Why is that? I think there is a bug on this. Don't worry, I will create a updated video tutorial to fix this problem, how to set up a PayPal payment gateway for WooCommerce plugin. But this is what it is. Your customer has to pay this amount with PayPal and you are good to go. So I'm going to close this out. So this is how you can create a paid course on your website. And finally, we're going to design our website. You can do one thing. You can design your website manually using the Elementor page builder. I'll show you how you can do that. First of all, I'm going to close this out, all these tabs. If you go to themes and here you can see this theme right here. If you click on view demo and you can see this is marketplace, click on view demo and let's try to design the similar web page. I'll show you two methods to design your website. First of all, let's try Elementor page builder. To do it, first of all, go to pages and click on add new and type your page name, which should be home, and then go to this section right here, template, and select the Elementor full width from the drop down menu and click on publish. Hit publish once again. Once you do it, click on edit with Elementor. Alright guys, so this is the Elementor page builder. Basically, this is a drag and drop editor. If you do not know about this Elementor page builder, I've created another separate video already for you guys. You can check out that video in the video description and learn how to use Elementor page builder and create any kind of web page or any web design for your website. This is awesome page builder and very popular page builder among all the page builders, guys. Let's start design the page, but before that, let's change some settings. Let's click over here and then click on this button. I think you should go over here, click on site settings and global font. Primary font, I'm going to change the primary font to something like this one right here, Monstrate. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the right font that I like to use. Next, secondary font, I'm going to use Poppins. Yes, this one. Next, text should be Poppin. Accent should be Poppin as well. This one. Okay, once you do it, click on update. Alright guys, let's go back. Let's close this out. Now, first of all, we need to add a section. To do it, click on this plus button. Now you will see this structure. Let's select this one, the single structure. Let's click on this 9 dot, and here I'm going to add a heading. When you select a heading, you will see the editing section from the left hand side. Here you can type whatever you like. Let's copy this heading from this page, paste the heading. You can see when I paste it, it goes straight like this, but we want this like this on each line. To create 3 lines, all we need to do is we need to add a page break just by typing bracket, start and close bracket. In between these bracket, we need to type BR, and you can see it breaks the line. And next, we need to break the line from here for space, start and close bracket. In between bracket, we need to type BR, and there you go. Next, when you hover your mouse over here, you will see this button right here, the edit column, or you will use this navigator to select any element that you like. When you select the element, go to style. You can see there is a 3 tab, layout, style and advanced. In the style, we have this type of element. I think we should select the heading, go to style. Now go to typography, and here type the size of the font. Let's go for maybe 20, maybe 40, and width, it should be 700 bold, maybe 800 extra bold. Let's go for maybe 60. It's way more. 50. Yeah, I think this is fine. Let's go for Poppin here. Let's try it Poppin. Yeah, this is fine. Now you can see we have a bunch of other options. Line height, you can see there is a space between each line. To make that happen, let's go to line height and increase it, something like that. 60 is enough. Next option, we have the letter spacing and word spacing. You don't have to do anything over here. It will increase or decrease the spacing between letter words. Okay, so I'm going to make it 0, 0 as well. In the transform, you can see we have the uppercase, lowercase and capitalize. Next to the text color, we will change it to white later on, because you can see this is the white text. I think I need to make it 40, 45. Yeah, 45 is more than enough. Looks good. Next, I need to add this text. Let's copy the text. Come back here, click on 9 dot. Let's add the text editor. Paste the text. Go to style and let's type something like 16. Let's make this paragraph, and let's go to style, typography. You can increase or decrease the size from here. Come back here. I think I need to decrease the size even more, just like it. Let's press enter. Let's take this to the next line. Let's go to style. You can change the size just like it. We'll change the color later. Next, we have this button, 2 buttons right here. Let's go back. Click on the 9 dot here. Let's add a button. Type the button name. I'm going to type something like explore. And below you can see you can add a link. You can add your courses link over here if you want to redirect your visitor to a different page. Just type your course name. You can just type your course URL over here. Alignment, center, left, right, size, medium, large. Let's go for medium. You can add icon from here if you want. There are a bunch of icons available for you guys. I'm going to leave it as it is. Next, go to style. You can see we have the hover color. In here, you can see we have the text color and we have the color. Let's go to color and let's change the transparency to 0. And next, the border type, I'm going to add double. The text color should be black or maybe white. I think it should be white. Okay. Once you do it, let's go to hover color, text color, background color, this one right here. Let's go for blue, this one right here. And as you can see, the blue color. Let's go to content and then scroll down. Radius, I'm looking for the radius, border radius right here. Let's go for 50 by 50 by 20 by 20. As you can see right here, border radius 50 by 50 by 50. Okay, this one is perfectly fine. Next, I'm gonna duplicate the button. Now you can see both buttons up and down. To make them side by side, select the first button, this button right here. Go select the first button and go to advanced. In the width, select the inline auto and select the next button. Same goes to advanced, width, inline auto. Now you can see both buttons side by side. Now select the second button, go to content and change the text. In this case, right here you can see start learning. Type start learning and you can add icon as well. Let's add a symbol. Let's go to Google and search for arrow symbol. Let's copy this symbol right here, come back here and paste it over here just like it. Next, let's go to style. Let's go to hover. Let's disable the hover just by making the transparency. Let's go to normal. Text color should be white and the border type should be none. Okay. Now all we need to do is we need to add the background image. To do it, let's select the entire section from the navigator, or you can click over here, go to style, background, click over here, classic, and upload the image. Click on select file. I've already downloaded the image just to sake for the video tutorial. I'm not the owner of the image. Once you do it, now we need to do some padding and margin. Let's increase the padding from this text. Select the text, this column right here, go to advanced and uncheck the margin. And we're going to increase the margin from top and I'm going to increase the margin from here. I'm going to select this text. First of all, I'm going to change the color to white and I'm going to change the margin as well. Let's go to advanced, unlink them, increase the margin. This is enough from bottom. Okay. Now I need to change the color of this text as well. Okay. Now I need to change the margin for this image. Let's go for this entire section. Let's go to advanced. Let's change the margin from top, from bottom, I think. Padding. Let's try padding. Let's change the padding. Maybe 300. Yeah. It's almost the same design we have here. I need to select the entire section. Let's go to advanced and I need to select the image size, full, position, center, center, center. Yeah, just like it. So now you can see we have created the same section like this, almost same section. This button, I think I need to change the styling of the button, double to solid. Yeah. Once you've happy designing your section, click on update and there you go. You can preview your page. As you can see guys, we just created this section right here just by using Elementor page builder. But it takes time to design a web page. If you want me to create another section, the entire section, all you need to do, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I will create a separate video where I'll show you how to design this homepage for your course selling website. Exactly same design or any type of design. Just be with me in the community tab. I will create another poll where I'll show you what type of design you want me to create for you guys. Vote for the design and I will create beautiful design for you guys just by using Elementor page builder. Anyways, now I'm going to show you the super and fastest way to build your website or design your website. First of all, exit the Elementor page builder, decide later, go to dashboard. Now your mouse over appearance, click on themes. The fastest way to design a website, to add another theme, we will want to use this theme. Let's go for Astra theme, click on install and then click on activate. Once you activate the Astra theme, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new and search for Astra. And you have to install starter templates from Brainstorm Force. Click on install now and activate this plugin. Now select your page builder, Elementor, which is my favorite. We already have installed this plugin. Now hover your mouse over e-commerce and select online courses. It will show you all the free and paid themes for you guys to create a course selling website. Now here you will see this premium batch. That means these are the paid templates. If you want them, you have to buy a premium version of Astra. And rest of the templates are free right here. Let's say I want this template right here. Let's click on it and click on skip and continue. Click on continue once again. And you can see these are the required plugins. Learn Dashboard LMS, Learn Dash, Course Grid, skip and start importing. Click on submit and build my site. It will install all the required plugins for you guys. This is another way to create a course selling website. It will importing pages, menus, posts, etc. etc. It will take few minutes to import each and everything. So I'm going to speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, so it took less than 1 minute to import the site. Let's click on view site. So now you can see we have pre-designed website ready to go. All we need to do just remove these sample courses and we have to add our own courses, and you can customize this website. You can customize the testimonial section or any section that you like just by using the Elementor page builder, because this page is designed with the Elementor page builder. Using this plugin or this page builder, you can literally customize everything. For more information about customization section, guys, you can check out my other video. You can go to my channel and search for customize, press enter, and you will find this video right here. Build and customize WordPress website step by step. By watching this video, you will be able to learn how to customize literally any website without spending much of time. Okay, you can go ahead, watch that video and learn how to customize your website. So when you do it, let's close this out and let me show you one more thing. Alright guys, so we are good to go. This is how you can create a course selling website, or you can customize this website just by going to the customization section. Let me show you. Click on customize, and here you can customize each and everything of your website. Like when you hover your mouse over this menu, you will see the pencil icon. Click on that. It will take you to the menu section where you can configure that menu, any menu that you like. Okay, you can edit the logo. Here you can see the logo. You can replace this logo with your own logo. Pretty straightforward. Scroll down, you can see we have the footer area. You can edit the footer area as well, or you can go through these all items one by one and customize it however you like. Okay, so this is the one way to customize this template. Next, you can edit this page with Elementor as well. Click on edit with Elementor. It will open the same Elementor page builder that we have used earlier to create the beautiful page like this. Okay, so this is the Elementor page builder. You can see different types of element has been added on this page. It will time saving method, guys. All you need to do, just go through each section. Alright guys, so this is how you create a course selling website only using the free resources. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.